These were all the trades I took this week using the simple ICT strategy based on the liquidity inducement theorem. These all trades made over 25% account gain this week. So in this video I will exactly explain the simple ICT strategy. I have made over 6 figures in funding and 5 figures in payouts using the simple ICT strategy. Watch this video till the end to know exactly how to implement this strategy in your trading. So let's understand what is the liquidity first. Liquidity is the fuel for the price. Any move will originate because of the liquidity. If you see this move, smart money people will call it as a retracement, is caused because the transactional liquidity is taken out. This move, this big expansion, is caused by inducement liquidity is taken out. The smart money people doesn't understand the in-depth liquidity concepts. They will just use order blocks, break up the structures and change of characters and trade. This is why they will never make money in the markets. If you clearly understand the liquidity, you can clearly make money in the marketplace. You should identify the liquidities where the majority of the people are getting trapped in the marketplace. Nowadays order blocks are using as the liquidity because lot of people are using these order blocks. If 99% of the population uses one stuff, it will become the liquidity. So that's why these order blocks and retail chart patterns, every retail chart pattern and order blocks now become liquidity, and trend line liquidities too. So this is why majority of the people never make any money from the markets. If you clearly understand, these all moves are caused by the liquidities here. There will be some sort of liquidity here in the 1 minute or 5 minutes here also. And this retracement is caused by this liquidity because here stop losses will be there, buy stops will be there, and this move is caused by this liquidity. So this is how every push in the marketplace is because of the liquidity. Without liquidity, there will be no push. The strategy I'm going to teach you is based on the liquidity inducement theorem. Now I teach it you. If you follow this set of rules I'm going to give you and the checklist, you will be insanely profitable in the marketplace. So when coming into the rules of the strategy, we should identify the clear liquidity points in the M15 time. This strategy doesn't require daily 4-hour or 1-hour time frame. We just need one time frame, and that is 15 minutes time frame. And for this strategy, there is no daily bias required. This strategy appears every day, day after day, in the kill zones, London kill zone and New York kill zone. The first point in the checklist is you should identify the clear liquidities in the M15 time frame. This is one clear liquidity we can identify in the M15 time frame because this is where 99% of the smart money people will sell, and this order block is used for the liquidity reinjection. So this is the first point of the checklist which is completed. We identified the clear liquidity, and we should only trade in the timings of London kill zone and New York kill zone. If the sweep happened in the London kill zone, if the liquidity sweep happened in the London kill zone, then it is very high profit. So we should only take the moves, liquidity sweeps that happen in the London kill zone or New York kill zone. And also the third point of the checklist is we should have displacement in this move. The liquidity that was taking the move should have displaced. Then only we should take the trade because it indicates the smart money is involved in this move. The smart money is involved in this move because normal people can't print this type of price action. So we can sell here when opposite type of candle form. When opposite candle formation is formed, we can easily take the sell here and target next liquidity. This is how we can easy 15 to 20 hour trades every day, day after day, day after day, by understanding the liquidity concept. This is the simple ICT strategy I ever got. Many people will overcomplicate the ICT. They will change the stuff from silver bullet to TJF setup. They will change the strategy over and over and again. But this strategy will make you quit your job in 90 days. If you follow the exact rules I mentioned here, you will make money every day in the marketplace by understanding the liquidities. So let's dive into the example. These were all the trades I took this week using the simple strategy I taught you in this video. I am receiving tons of messages from the free YouTube community thanking me that they become profitable by just watching my YouTube channels and doing the work. The only difference from the people who are not profitable and who are profitable in the markets, the profitable traders do the work what the 99% are not willing to do. They backtest, they journal, they study my videos and take notes and everything they will do. So this is the major difference between the profitable and unprofitable traders. If you are just watching this video and don't taking the notes, it doesn't make you profitable. You should take the notes and you should go back to the charts and backtest for the past 5 to 10 years. Then you can clearly understand the strategy and you can apply it in the real market. Making money in the trading is very easy. My students are literally killing the market, making 2 to 10k. Some students are making $15k in a single week. It's all because of the liquidity concepts and discipline. So if you want to become like them, you should make the work. That's the only thing. You should work hard. So here, the first point on the checklist is we should identify the liquidity. This is the clear liquidity we can see. This is the clear trap of the day. This is where majority of the retail people are willing to sell because they have lot of different reason. They will think this is the order block, blah blah blah, lot of reasons. But we use this as a liquidity. The second point of the checklist is we should wait for the London kill zone and New York kill zone. If you see this red box, this is the London kill zone, and this is the second point of the checklist. If you see the price action taking out the liquidity here, huge vector candles, huge displacement, huge imbalances, it indicates FOMO in the beginner traders and the retail traders. This algorithm exactly knows how the human behavior works. If the retail trader sees these huge candles, it will induce FOMO in their brains and they will buy. We have seen number of examples from the past 5 years in my experience and made this simple strategy. If you can apply this exact rules every day, day after day, you can quit your job. I can assure, because I have seen number of my students, my one-on-ones and my bootcamp students done this. A lot of traders are complicating the trading because they switch the strategies. They will watch all the ICT content. They will switch from silver bullet to TJF, lot of stuff. It's completely nonsense. You just need one single setup and you can travel the world and do whatever you want with this trading. It's very simple. If you can follow this setup, what I'm telling in this YouTube, and take notes and everything, you can become financially free. Because I have seen many students using this setup and pass their problem challenges and making withdrawals. So watch it seriously. Same trade, speed and aggression, we exactly entered that at the tip. Same trade. If you see, this is happened in the New York kill zone. This is the Asian liquidity. Asian liquidity is taken out with a huge speed and aggression. If you see the speed and aggression criteria, it indicates the FOMO and everything. If they see lot of black candles, they will sell. So the smart money will get the liquidity to buy. Then they buy and the market will go up. Simple thing. And exactly the market is reversed exactly from this liquidity. Again, this is the smart money trap. I didn't took that move because I already done for the day. I took this 2 move and I made enough money for the day. That's it. You don't need to take every move in the marketplace. You should be very disciplined. And again, the same stuff here. The market, this is Wednesday this week. The market is ranging. I clearly identified the range and I know there are a lot of retail people liquidity sitting. So I identified the trap of the week and I am just waiting for the speed and aggression taking out the liquidity. This is how the liquidity cycle works. They will induce the traders. 99% of the traders get induced in the false direction and then they will take out the liquidity and we enter the market with the smart money. This market never changes. I am trading this stuff for the past 5 years. This is how the algorithm is booked because always the smart money want to make money and fool retailers. This is how the markets are booked. Speed and aggression taking out the liquidity. I exactly entered at this week. I entered at this week with 3 pip stop loss and this is the scaling. Same concept, speed and aggression taking out the liquidity. I just entered here at the wick. This is the Tuesday trade I took buy. This is very crazy buy. This is the Asian liquidity. Same thing. I identified the trap. Same timing. London kill zone. Speed and aggression taking out the liquidity. Entered at the wick. Same stuff. Asian liquidity. Asian high. Speed and aggression. If you see, can you see the candles taking out the liquidity? Speed and aggression. This speed and aggression is very important. Here, speed and aggression is there. It took the liquidity, but the timing is not there. You should follow the rules exactly because the timing is very crucial. If the time is right, the market will reverse. Always the ICT says. So you should follow the exact rules. You should only follow this setup in the London kill zone or the New York kill zone. Same stuff here. This is last week's Friday. This is the liquidity MR, speed and aggression taking the liquidity in the London timing. Exactly entered at the wick. Same thing happened in the New York kill zone. This is the range liquidity. If you see, it forming a range, 4 taps. It has 4 taps. Now a lot of liquidity will be induced here. Lot of sell stops will be there. The sell stops are taken and the market got reversed. This is how the strategy works. If you follow the every point in the checklist, you will become the profitable trader. Just backtest this stuff. You will discover some wonders with the strategy. If you want my guidance with the strategy, you can book a free one-on-one consultancy call from the link in the description and the comment section. I don't offer any course or any PDFs or anything. Currently, I am just offering only one-on-one guide. If you want that guidance, you can book a call. If you are a correct fit, we can start. Peace, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.